Okay, so I wanted to point something out here. There's a date here of October 4th, 2018, which means that's when this phone was worked on. And the reason we know this is because this battery that came out of there does not have the Apple logo, so this battery is not the original one that came with the phone. Now, look what someone has done. Whoever repaired this phone or worked on it previously, these batteries come in these plastic bags. They left the battery inside this plastic bag and just put the adhesive on the back right onto the phone. As a result, this battery is wrapped in this plastic all the time, and it's going to overheat. We're going to go ahead and ask the owner of the phone if that was the case, if the phone was noticed that it was getting hotter than usual. But this right here, folks, is a no-no, and this is what happens when you get work done by shops or people that don't know what they're doing and do not take pride in their work. They just simply put the battery in there and don't take any pride. The screws that were on there are the wrong type screws. You can see them here on the board. You see where that corner's bent a little bit. It was hard getting that last screw out because it was stripped. All of these screws are stripped, so we're going to try to either salvage them or just put better screws on there for this customer. But this is a result of putting your phone in the wrong hands of repair shops. One thing I want to point out is this is a broken screen iPhone 7 Plus. You see that hole there? That's on the screen. And if I were to fold this phone over this way, right where that hole is right where you see all this dust and debris accumulated. Doesn't look very pretty. So if you have a broken phone that has a screen that's broken and there's a big opening in the front, please do yourself a favor and get it repaired as soon as possible. Otherwise, that can affect. And then the antenna, the cellular antenna, is right around there. So you want to be very cautious. If you do have a broken screen, get it fixed as soon as possible.